Imagine waking up to a kitchen that feels like a sanctuary, each item a gentle reminder of mindful choices that add calm and meaning to our daily routines. It's easy to overlook how these small intentional tools can shape not just how we cook, but how we approach life. Picture starting your day with a wooden kitchen utensil set. They're sturdy, natural, and remind us of the simplicity in nature, urging us to slow down and savor each moment. Wooden kitchen utensils. Set teak is a popular wood for patio furniture because it's strong and resistant to rain and snow. Those characteristics also make it perfect for a wooden spoon, and Fayai's held up well under all our tests. We were impressed by how well it broke up ground sausage during testing, especially considering the oval shape. Its deep bowl is good for scooping and serving food. It's not dishwasher safe, but it was super easy to clean. Dried-on oatmeal slid right off with the lightest of scrubs. For anyone looking to buy a high-value wooden spoon at a low cost, the Faay is it. Our only complaint is that the round spoon head isn't as good as one with a corner or flat side at getting into pan edges and scraping up cooked-on bits. Bella 2-tier food steamer. Most electric steamers are surprisingly expensive, but this one is both affordable and widely raved about. The 7.4-quart capacity can fit a lot of food. Whether you're steaming meat, fish, or vegetables, or cooking dim sum, hard-boiled eggs, or grains, the steamer comes with a 5-cup capacity rice bowl. Setup is quick and easy, and the electric base heats up quickly to minimize your wait time. The base features a water level indicator, an external water filler for easy refill without having to interrupt the cooking process, and an auto shutoff when the water runs out, which is a great safety feature. You just add your food to the steamer, set your dial, and go about your business. Very set it and forget it style. Whether you're washing the removable parts by hand or in the dishwasher, cleanup is very easy. A few users note experiencing a bit of leaking from their steamer, so you may want to place it on a towel as you get the hang of using it. Countertop ice maker. Like the Magic Chef MCIM 22/HNIM27, the Uhomi countertop makes 9 bullet-shaped cubes in less than 10 minutes, but it's smaller and lighter than our pick from Magic Chef, which you might appreciate if you have minimal counter space or plan to store it away. Similar to other bullet ice makers, the Igloo ice maker produces ice that's neat and decent enough for drinks. This model's water reservoir stores less water than that of our pick, so you need to refill the machine more frequently, but we barely noticed the difference in testing. The Igloo ice maker's slightly lighter weight, 0.75 pounds less than the Magic Chef ice maker, and compact shape make it much easier to carry to the sink to drain and clean than its competitors. The best thing about this machine is its intuitive controls, which placed it just a notch above the other bullet-style ice machines we tested. Grips Digital Egg Timer. This inexpensive little timer is no frills, but it's easy to use and gets its job done admirably. We like its clear, easy-to-read display as well as its small size and portability. This timer is a champ not just in the kitchen, but also for anything else you need to time, such as exercise or homework sessions. We appreciated touches like the flip stand on the back so you can set it on the counter, as well as the magnetic strip that allows you to stick it to any metal surface, like your fridge or oven, though we did find that it sticks better to smooth stainless steel than anything with a textured surface, like an old-school fridge with a nubby finish. We found the timer very easy to clean, and it's a snap to install or change the batteries. Chefman Electric Kettle. In testing the Kazori, I found that the spout releases a very steady and controlled stream, especially for having a larger opening. There's no splashing or spilling when I pour. And while I'm partial to the Stag EKG, the larger volume of this one is useful for batching iced tea, as well as cleaning my sink. I fill it up, let the water get piping hot, scrub the stainless interior of my basin with a sponge, and then pour the water out all over it for a sparkling finish. I like that the kettle is made of glass because I can easily see the amount of water inside, and the handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold too. Strategist Deals editor Sam Daly bought this same model about 8 months ago and has used it nearly every day since. She's appreciative of the quick 2 minutes it takes to heat up. I can literally start the water, grab a tea bag and mug, turn back around, and it's at a good temperature, she says. Mandolin Slicer. After testing multiple products, we would recommend the Dash Safe Slice mandolin to anyone who is intimidated by mandolin slicers. This slicer keeps your hand far away from the blade for a less stressful experience. The Dash Safe Slice. Mandolin slicer makes using a mandolin easy, as your fingers never get close to the blades. Instead, it uses a gravity feeder and a mechanism that you push down to cut. The chute does limit the size of what you can slice. We had to cut a potato in half to fit into it, but it is sliced cleanly and efficiently at all thicknesses. It also sliced through a lemon without mashing or tearing, creating the perfect slices to add to a summer lemonade. Overall, we found that this mandolin was surprisingly easy to use and produced consistent slices. VinChef Nonstick Grill Pan. Though it's one of our smaller pans tested, the Victoria Cast Iron Square Grill Pan received high marks for design. The diagonal grill grates and larger loop handles give it a high-end feel at a budget-friendly price. The Victoria left crisp grill marks on the grilled cheese and pork chop, though the marks on the zucchini planks were less consistent. This was likely due to crowding the pan, something to watch for in a smaller piece like this. The pan heated very quickly, though it lost heat equally fast, dropping almost 200 degrees at the 5-minute mark off the heat. It cleaned up easily, and because of its lightweight and small footprint, it would be very easy to store in just about any size of the kitchen. Remember, life isn't about piling on more, it's about choosing what truly matters. Each item we bring into our space should add value, clarity, and a sense of calm. Think about how these simple tools can shape your day, how they serve as reminders to keep things clear, focused, and purposeful. Take these choices beyond the kitchen. Start simplifying, start choosing wisely, and watch how life shifts in ways you never thought possible.